buying a used SUV doesn't have to mean taking a risk on repairs. In fact, there are a handful of models that can be found for under $6,000 and are known to keep running for hundreds of thousands of miles. In this video, we're counting down 10 used SUVs that truly stand the test of time. Let's get started. 2008 Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has long been one of Toyota's most trusted models. The 2008 version came with either a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder or a strong 3.5-liter V6, both paired with an automatic transmission that's proven to be durable. With routine oil changes and simple maintenance, it's not unusual for these engines to pass 250,000 miles without major issues. On the road, it's easy to drive and comfortable for daily use. The suspension smooths out rough streets, and with available all-wheel drive, it handles rain and snow confidently. Inside, it's practical, with a roomy cabin for its size and flexible cargo space that families appreciate. What makes it stand out is ownership peace of mind. This SUV doesn't rack up costly repairs the way many older crossovers do. For under $6,000, the 2008 RAV4 is one of the most dependable small SUVs you can buy, combining efficiency, comfort, and Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability. 2007 Honda CR-V. The 2007 CR-V is one of the most reliable compact SUVs you can buy on a budget. Built with Honda's legendary 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and a simple 5-speed automatic transmission, this SUV is designed to last. Many owners report reaching 200,000 to 250,000 miles with only routine maintenance, which makes it a favorite among mechanics looking for low-stress vehicles. On the road, it's smooth and predictable. The ride quality is comfortable, the steering is light, and it feels easy to maneuver in both city traffic and on the highway. With available all-wheel drive, it's also a dependable companion in bad weather, giving drivers extra confidence year-round. Inside, Honda focused on practicality. The 2007 update brought a more modern design, improved seating comfort, and generous cargo space for a compact SUV. Materials were built to last, meaning many used examples today still feel solid. What sets the CR-V apart is its combination of low cost, great fuel efficiency, and long-term dependability. For under $6,000, it's one of the safest bets for buyers who want a reliable SUV that can keep running for years to come. 2006 Toyota Highlander. The 2006 Highlander is a midsize SUV that has built a reputation for being both practical and incredibly dependable. Sharing much of its engineering with the Toyota Camry, it came with either a reliable 4-cylinder or a smooth 3.3-liter V6, both paired with transmissions that are known to go the distance. With basic upkeep, it's not unusual to see these SUVs running strong well past 250,000 miles. On the road, the Highlander focuses on comfort and ease of use. The ride is soft, the handling is predictable, and it's just as comfortable on long highway drives as it is running errands in town. Available all-wheel drive adds extra confidence in rain or snow, making it a year-round choice for families. Inside, it's simple but roomy. With available third-row seating, it can carry up to 7 passengers, and the fold-flat seats add plenty of cargo flexibility. Toyota built this interior with durability in mind, which is why so many of these SUVs still feel solid today. What really makes the 2006 Highlander stand out is its low ownership cost. Repairs are rare, parts are easy to find, and maintenance is straightforward. For under $6,000, it's a family-friendly SUV that delivers Toyota's legendary reliability year after year. 2008 Ford Escape. The 2008 Ford Escape is one of those compact SUVs that proved American brands could deliver real dependability, offered with a choice of a 4-cylinder or a 3.0-liter V6. Both engines are known for being simple, sturdy, and easy to maintain. Pair that with a straightforward automatic transmission, and you get an SUV that mechanics often describe as easy to keep on the road. Driving the Escape is straightforward and comfortable. The suspension is tuned for everyday use, making it smooth over bumps while still feeling stable on the highway. Available all-wheel drive adds extra traction for drivers in snowy or rainy climates, which is a big plus for a budget-friendly SUV. Inside, the design is practical and no-nonsense. It has seating for 5, decent cargo capacity, and durable interior materials that have held up surprisingly well over the years. The technology may be basic compared to modern standards, but everything works reliably. What makes the Escape a strong pick under $6,000 is its low cost of ownership. Parts are widely available, repair costs are reasonable, and with regular maintenance, these SUVs routinely pass 200,000 miles. It's a solid, affordable option for buyers who want reliability without spending big. 2007 Nissan Xterra. The 2007 Nissan Xterra was designed as a rugged SUV built for adventure. But what makes it impressive today is how reliable it remains on the used market. Powered by a strong 4.0-liter V6 paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, this SUV is built to handle tough conditions while still being simple enough to last for years. Many owners report these engines pushing well over 200,000 miles with only routine care. On the road, the Xterra feels solid and capable. The suspension is tuned for off-road use, meaning it can handle rough trails, but it's still comfortable enough for everyday driving. With available four-wheel drive, it's a dependable choice for drivers who deal with snow, mud, or uneven terrain. Inside, it's not flashy, but it's functional. The cabin has durable materials, good seating space, and a cargo area designed for outdoor gear. The rear seats fold flat. 2006 Lexus RX 330. The 2006 Lexus RX 330 shows that luxury and reliability can actually go hand in hand. Built on the same solid foundation as the Toyota Highlander, it comes with a 3.3-liter V6 engine, paired with a smooth 5-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain is simple, refined, and known to last well past 200,000 miles with just routine maintenance. On the road, the RX 330 delivers the kind of comfort you'd expect from a luxury SUV. The ride is soft and quiet, the handling is easy, and it feels more upscale than most SUVs in the same price range. Despite its luxury touches, it doesn't come with the costly breakdowns that many European luxury SUVs are infamous for. Inside, it offers leather seating, wood trim, and a spacious cabin that still feels premium today. The seats are supportive, visibility is excellent, and cargo space is generous enough for family use. Lexus also equipped it with reliable technology for its time, which has aged far better than many rivals. What makes the RX 330 such a standout under $6,000 is that it gives buyers a genuine luxury experience without sacrificing Toyota-level dependability. For anyone who wants comfort, prestige, and peace of mind in one package, this SUV is a top choice. 2007 Subaru Forester. The 2007 Subaru Forester is a compact SUV that built its reputation on practicality and all-weather reliability. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, it's a simple setup that, with proper maintenance, can easily run past 200,000 miles. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system also comes standard, giving it an edge in snow, rain, or rough road conditions. On the road, the Forester feels nimble and easy to drive, the suspension soaks up bumps well, and the raised ride height gives drivers excellent visibility. It's just as comfortable for city commuting as it is for weekend road trips or outdoor adventures. Inside, the cabin is straightforward but roomy, with a tall roofline that creates plenty of headroom and cargo space. The materials may not be flashy, but they hold up well over time. The rear seats fold down flat, adding flexibility for carrying gear, groceries, or luggage. What makes the 2007 Forester such a strong buy under $6,000 is that it blends affordability with Subaru's proven durability. For drivers who want an SUV that can handle harsh weather while staying dependable year after year, this one is hard to beat. 2006 Honda Pilot. The 2006 Honda Pilot is a midsize SUV that has earned a strong reputation for family-friendly reliability, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's a proven setup that can handle high mileage with ease. Many owners report these vehicles surpassing 250,000 miles, and mechanics often recommend them for their durability and low-cost maintenance. On the road, the Pilot delivers a smooth and steady ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making it great for long trips, while available all-wheel drive provides extra security in rain and snow. It's the type of SUV that feels equally at home on the highway or around a town. Inside, it offers a roomy 3-row cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers. The interior is simple but practical, with controls that are easy to use and plenty of cargo space when the rear seats are folded down. Families especially value the Pilot because of its flexibility and long-lasting build quality. What makes the 2006 Pilot stand out under $6,000 is its combination of size, reliability, and affordability. It's rare to find a 3-row SUV that offers this much value while still holding on to Honda's legendary reputation for dependability. 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a midsize SUV that combines rugged capability with long-term dependability when properly maintained. Available with several engine options, the most reliable pick is the 3.7-liter V6, which is simpler and more durable than the larger V8S. Paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, it's a setup known to keep going for hundreds of thousands of miles with routine service. On the road, the Grand Cherokee feels solid and confident. The suspension is tuned for comfort, yet it still has the toughness to handle light off-road driving. With available 4-wheel drive, it's a dependable choice for buyers living in areas with snow, mud, or rough terrain. Inside, the cabin is roomy and functional. It seats 5 comfortably, offers a generous cargo area, and higher trims came with features like leather seating and upgraded audio systems. 2008 Chevrolet Trailblazer. The 2008 Chevrolet Trailblazer is a midsize SUV that proves American engineering can deliver long-term reliability when built right. Under the hood, it carries a 4.2-liter inline-6 engine that mechanics often praise for its strength and durability. This motor is well known for running smoothly past 200,000 miles, with only routine maintenance, making it one of GM's most dependable powertrains of the era. On the road, the Trailblazer offers a solid and confident ride. The suspension handles bumps comfortably, and with available 4-wheel drive, it's capable of tackling bad weather or rough terrain without hesitation. It's a practical choice for families who need a tough, affordable SUV. Inside, it provides plenty of passenger room and a large cargo area. While the interior design is simple, it's functional and holds up well over years of use. Higher trims even included leather seating and upgraded tech for a more upscale feel. What sets the 2008 Trailblazer apart under $6,000 is that it combines power, space, and durability in a package that's still affordable today. It may not be flashy, but it gets the job done. And it does so reliably, which is why it remains a favorite in the used SUV market.